on how we do it in the country. Yeah, working on this car. Got Camaro, and it's an okay car. It's gonna be my car when I drive here. It's a '01. Not too bad a look car. Needs some work. Just got a new exhaust put on. Hey Bandit. And got get a new steering column, new interior. I got the back looking okay, I guess. I was just trying to get her started up. Like, it fired the other day and now it just don't want to fire. I don't know what went wrong there. I think the starter quit. But yeah. I'm gonna try to get her started here for you guys. Hopefully that'll work. Let's see here. And there she blows. I guess she finally was like, well, it's time to start up. Yeah, I got, you can't really see, but it's a big old pipe on her. Not bad, a little V6 in it. Something for school until I finally get the truck to drive, but who knows, man. I'm getting a new paint. It's like black, but I want to get black with blue flames going down the car. I'm gonna have my uncle do it. Gears Us to Custom Auto Body. What do you think, Bandit? Yeah, he's excited. It's gotta be wrong, right? And our seat there, right, buddy? Yeah. Well, that's the video for today. I'll just watch my videos every day of the week. I make videos every Monday through Friday. So keep freaking hillbilly out there, and me and Bandit will see you later.